In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI, basic features. If you're just getting started and want a quick, reliable way to bring Notion's AI into your writing flow, there are two simple triggers you'll use all the time. A single tap of the spacebar on a blank line and the slash command by typing slash then the letters A and I. Let's begin with the spacebar. Place your cursor on a completely blank line, no characters, no spaces. Then press the spacebar once. This gently calls up Notion AI right where you are, without breaking your writing rhythm. You'll see a prompt field and suggestions tailored to the context of your page. This method is great when you're staring at an empty section and want the AI to help you start a paragraph, brainstorm ideas, or continue a thought. Because it's context aware, it can draw from nearby headings or content to keep things relevant. If nothing appears, simply make sure your cursor is truly on its own empty line and try again. Think of this as your fastest way to get an assist the moment you need it. Now let's look at the slash command. Type / followed by A and I. This opens Notion AI through the command menu and works consistently across different parts of a page, whether you're inside a paragraph, a list, or a database page. You'll land in a similar AI interface where you can describe what you need in plain language. Use this when you prefer a more deliberate, menu-driven approach or when your cursor isn't on a blank line. Both methods lead you to the same powerful assistant. The difference is simply how you summon it. Once the AI prompt field is open, speak to it naturally. Be clear about the outcome you want. Ask it to draft, summarize, brainstorm, translate, or adjust tone, and include any constraints like length, audience, or style. The clearer your request, the better the first result. If the response isn't quite right, refine your prompt with a brief follow-up, and the AI will iterate. Remember, this is a writing partner, not a replacement for your judgment. Keep your voice, verify facts, and avoid pasting sensitive information. To recap, when you want the fastest, in-the-moment assist, place your cursor on a blank line and tap the spacebar. When you want a consistent command from anywhere, type / then AI. With these two triggers, you can pull Notion AI into your workflow exactly when you need it and keep your writing moving smoothly. Try both and see which feels more natural for your style.